Hi there. So today we're going to make some power measurements. What I've got is I've got an AC to AC adapter powering up this demo board here. It's a very slow switching speed. I think it's a couple of kilohertz. We've got a differential probe plugged into the input. We've also got a current probe looking at the input current. So channel 1 is my voltage and then channel 2 is my current. So we kind of all know that power is measured simply by multiplying the volts times the amps. But what if I wanted to look at a few more details in terms of power? Well, on the 4 series, we have this cool automated power measurement package. And it's tapping the measure button. So I'll just push the camera a little closer. And you can see there that we have our standard set of measurements, such as amplitude measurements or time or frequency measurements. But we also have a power tab. So this gives us a whole host of measurements, whether or not it's around the input analysis, amplitude, timing, switching, or even the output analysis as well. So if I wanted to look at power quality measurements, I simply double tap power quality. And the oscilloscope automatically calculates things like the frequency, the RMS of both the voltage and the current. It can even calculate the true, reactive, and apparent power. And also, if you look at the bottom, we get power factor and phase, all by simply tapping the screen.